when you're sick in bed for 2 days now with a head cold, sort of virus, bad cold. But you know what, guys? It's so special when these two won't leave your side. Like Ellie and Isaac. Mind you, they are performing their own WWE fanatics on the bed, keeping me tuned into everything right now. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You're keeping me company while I'm not well. Yeah. You're beautiful. These two need a groom soon. As soon as I feel well enough, I will groom them. Isaac needs a bath and brush, tidy. Ellie needs a full groom. She's getting really fluffy. And they are cuties.